everyone, it's me, it's Julia with It's Greek to Me. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and if you're new, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to share these videos if you enjoyed them with your friends, with your family. Today we're going to do an eggplant dish, okay? It's really nice. Now you're going to make as many of these as you need. If it's just for yourself, then you just make one or two. If you have other people coming over, you may want to make more. Just wanted to say here that what we're going to do is we're going to roast these. Okay, kind of grill them in the oven. So what you want to do is wash your eggplant. Maybe poke a couple of little holes, because if you don't, you have a chance that this thing may explode in your oven. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to grill these right till it becomes soft, and it kind of lands up looking like this. Let me show you. I have one already prepared for you. I've already cut down the middle here as so. So this has already been grilled. Okay, you're going to have to keep an eye on it until it's ready, but once it's ready, you're going to take this now and open it up. Now the inside is nice and cooked and soft here. All right, so what you want to do, if you can see that here, is that you're going to take 1 clove of garlic, peeled, and you are going to grate this right where the opening is. And let it fall right in there inside the eggplant. You can open it up a little bit more as you need to. We just need a little bit of garlic there, right? Okay. So as you can see, I've put that right in there. This is really delish. And we're going to put salt and pepper to taste. We're going to give it that final drizzle with that beautiful olive oil. Just want to put this garlic that fell out right in there, as so. Then we're going to take a washed tomato, and we want to do exactly the same thing. We want to just grate this tomato and have it go right inside the eggplant. Exactly where we have put the garlic that we're using for this. This is really delicious. You may want to have like a fresh loaf of rustic bread, because now the tomato will also make like juice, right? And kind of like a tomatoey sauce in the dish, especially when we're going to add the salt, pepper, oregano, and olive oil. These are really beautiful to serve too at the table, or when you're having a barbecue, right? It's a nice little appetizer as well. You can also cut up pita bread with this, right? Okay, so you can see here, let me just move this out of the way. You're going to need feta too. So you can see this now, right? Next thing we want to do is add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, right? I'm not here to tell you, you know, I like it a little bit more flavorful. You just kind of put that everywhere. A little bit of pepper. Just may want to just sprinkle that on. Some people like more pepper than others. That's fine. And then what you want to do is crumble up some feta on top. You won't believe how amazingly delicious this is, especially if you love eggplant. I'll also teach you later on the channel how to make dips and other dishes with eggplant. So, get familiar to eating eggplant. It's really delicious. Okay, let me just get a paper towel here now. And, oh, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano on top. Just take a pinch. And then the last part is to put the olive oil. So we're just going to take the olive oil and we're just going to kind of drizzle it on top here. And there you go. It's that simple, right? And like I said, you can already see the juices in there forming from the tomato with the olive oil, the feta, right, and the seasoning. So get yourself a piece of bread and a fork and go have at it. All right, you can also roast these on a barbecue as well, if that's what you're doing. If you're planning on barbecuing other things, you can do it all at once, right? But as soon as it's ready, you just split it open, kind of massage it on the sides like you would like a baked potato, right, to kind of soften it up before you place your sour cream or your butter in there, right? Basically the same thing. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit that like, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to share if you've enjoyed this recipe. Sending you much love and many blessings, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Thank you so much for being here. Bye now.